Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want buyers to instantly unlock your private Discord server. It's totally doable. If you are selling courses, memberships or any communities, automation is key. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to connect Gumroad to Discord so you can access basically the granted automatically. So all you're gonna do is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. As for the option number 1, you can use Zapier or create, basically a trigger. You can also basically go to make.com or through Zapier. It depends on you. As you see here, Zapier is an automation platform that connects over HK apps and all of these informations. So all you're gonna do is create a trigger, new sale in Gumroad for example, then set action, send channel message or assign role in Discord, then connect both accounts, then test and publish. As for the option number 2, using the Discord webhooks, like by going through Discord, go to server settings, integrations, then look for webhooks, then create a webhook and copy the link. Use that exact same link inside your automation tool to send the sale data. For example, the seller gonna buy something from Gumroad. After the operation is success, they're gonna send him the link so he can access automatically. As for a pro tip, for all automation, combine with a bot like MEE6 or use Make for advanced role assignment. I'm not talking about Make, I'm actually talking about make.com. This is the AI workflow automation that you can use. It's somehow a little bit expensive, but it does the work. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.